The bitters we've forgotten. You know, we've trained our taste buds to run from anything bitter, and we crave sweet, we chase salty, and we love savoury. But bitter, no, we wrinkle a nose, push it away. Here's the thing though, plants didn't make these bitter compounds to please us, they made them to survive. It's a defence mechanism of nature, a way of shielding itself against being eaten, and yet what's protected the plant protects us too. Those bitter compounds wake up your digestion, cleanse your liver and restore balance. Bitters are strong medicine and must be treated with respect. Small doses guided by a herbalist who knows what they're doing. Because with bitters, the right herb and the right dose can make all the difference. First up is Gentian, a heavyweight of the bitters. Now it's not just bitter, it's intensely bitter. One tiny drop and your body goes, right lads, it's time to digest. The magic comes from the compounds Gentiope crocide and armogentin, some of the most bitter molecules on the planet. For centuries, Europeans used gentian in aperitifs before meals, a ritual to wake up the stomach before a feast, to prepare it for digestion for what's coming. But here's the catch. If you have stomach ulcers, stay well away. This herb means business, and you should be used with caution. Next up is wormwood, the second most bitter herb in this collection. Yes, this is the famous herb behind the drink absinthe tea and the legendary green fairy. The plant contains turgeon, a compound so potent that it was once banned. Wormwood was used for centuries to rid the body of parasites and to spark digestion. But listen now, this isn't a casual herb. It's a toxic in large doses and can cause seizures, and pregnant women should steer clear entirely. When the herbalists say powerful medicine, this is what they mean. Next is dandelion. Dandelion is that weed that you've been pulling from your garden, that beautiful yellow flower. It's a powerful, bitter and medicinal gold. Dandelion, the humble plant we curse under our breath, is one of nature's best liver tonics. Those bitter compounds, says quiterpen latons, get your liver working, filtering toxins, producing bile. Every part of it has a purpose. The leaves for a salad and the root for a tea. And the French, in their usual honesty, call it pissenlit, which literally means piss in the bed. So you can imagine what that means. It's a powerful diuretic and gives the body a full cleanse. Next up is artichoke. Not just a fancy food, although it is that, a beautiful food. The leaves are a serious medicine for your liver, and the Romans, clever as they were, used it over 2,000 years ago. They swore it gave them a sweet breath and a lighter spirit. The compound cynarin boosts bile production and helps lower cholesterol. So good for the heart. But, and it's an important but, if you have gallstones, don't touch it. Artichoke makes the gallbladder contract, and that can bring about serious pain. So always seek professional herbal advice. Next we have yarrow, known as the warrior's herb. Legend says Achilles himself used it to heal soldiers' wounds. Its scientific name, Achillea millefolium, tells you everything. It's a double agent, bitter enough to help your digestion, gentle enough to heal cuts and scrapes. The flavonoids inside calm inflammation and help the body knit back together. Just one note, if you are allergic to ragweed, yarrow might not be your friend. Next up is chamomile, known for its ability to help you sleep, so a nice tea at bedtime. Gentle, soothing, easy company. But don't let that fool you. It's quite powerful, and the bitter in this herb soothes the stomach and calms the nerves. The epigenin works on the brain to ease anxiety, while chamazulin helps to cool inflammation. Gardeners call chamomile the doctor of plants because it actually helps other plants grow stronger. Milk thistle. Now here's a plant close to my heart, milk thistle, the liver's loyal friend. Those spiky purple heads hide a powerful compound, silymarin, literally regenerates liver cells. In medieval times, monks used it to purify a mother's milk. Today, science shows it protects us from toxins and even repairs liver damage. That bitter taste, it's a wake-up call to the liver. The side effects are rare, but your stomach may grumble a little as it gets to work. Not a bad thing. Next we have orange peel, something you'd normally throw away, but it's actually a medicine. Contains bitter oils, especially hesperidin. Wake up your digestion and stimulate appetite. That's why European Vermonts and tonics always included. They weren't just being fancy, they were being clever. Fresh peel is best. Be cautious with bitter orange extracts. They may raise blood pressure in some people. Next we have burdock root, a milder bitter and a lovely earthy herb. It's known as nature's deep cleanser. Great for cleansing the blood and cleansing the skin. Earthy, grounding, good for everything from the skin to the liver. The root is packed with inulin, prebiotic fibre that feeds good gut bacteria. It supports the lymph system, purifies the blood, and has been used for centuries to give horses shiny coats and humans clear skin. The bitter in burdock gets your detox organs firing on all cylinders. So a great detox herb. Next we have golden seal, the golden root. It's bright yellow because of berberine, a compound so powerful it fights bacteria and infections naturally. Native American healers used it for skin problems and wounds. But here's the sad part. We've loved it to nearly extinction. Over-harvested, traded, taken faster than it can grow. So if you use golden seal, make sure it's sustainable. Or use a berberine supplement instead. Bitters will tell you that this medicine is seriously real. Here's what I want you to remember. Bitterness isn't a punishment. It's actually a wisdom, nature's wisdom, nudging us to taste and to wake up to a greater sense of what life means. We all have bitter experiences in life and we often don't digest them. So bitter, symbolic and real, helps to send a message to your body. Digest, cleanse and heal. Not just physically, emotionally and spiritually. I'm Tom O'Brien and I have a PhD in adult education and also qualified as a herbalist. I'm passionate about helping people rediscover the healing power of plants. At Botanical Mind, we bring ancient wisdom and modern science together because your health deserves both tradition and truth. Thanks for watching.